In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with the 3 steps you need to take to be more successful on YouTube. With 1 billion users and over 300 hours of content uploaded every minute, YouTube is an incredibly powerful tool for any business. If you can understand the platform, you'll be rewarded handsomely through increased brand awareness and sales. To be effective and become successful on YouTube, you need to follow these 3 steps. Number 1, define your choice. You need to carve out your niche and ask yourself what it is you want people to understand about your business. You won't be successful if you merely mimic what's already been successful. You can't be afraid to be completely different or put your own spin on formats that already exist. Whether you decide to do something entirely new or using a traditional format, it is essential that you approach it with a unique voice. Step number 2, develop your content strategy. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make when you consider your content for YouTube is that a viral video is the only YouTube strategy that is effective. Successful brands know that to grow their channels, they need to create new content continuously. You have to have structure and a solid strategy behind your YouTube content, or else your channel will be nothing more than a place to dump videos. Step number 3, collaborate with the community. Creators that had no budget started a majority of the most subscribed to channels on YouTube. They become successful on the platform because they were forced to focus on building relationships with their viewers and other channels. If you want to make the most out of YouTube, then you have to think like a creator and grow your channel through collaborations. Search for other YouTube channels that are relevant to your target audience and topic and start a conversation with them. Building your YouTube channel may seem a bit daunting, but if you follow these 3 steps, you'll grow your channel quickly. When you show up week after week and provide your viewers with high-quality, consistent content, you'll find success in no time. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you 4 strategies for creating a branded YouTube channel. Believe it or not, there was a time when businesses and marketers shied away from publishing content on YouTube. These days, however, YouTube has become a prevalent platform for companies to promote their brands. If you're interested in developing a YouTube channel or your current one requires a facelift, these 4 strategies will help you get started with the process. Avoid overcommitting. If you run a business, your time is probably already pretty stretched. However, if you want to have a successful YouTube channel for your brand, then you need to spend the time creating high-quality content. One way you do this without overcommitting yourself is to outsource the work. Make sure that you can find someone who is already set up and can quickly implement your strategy. Have them upload your content, develop your titles, descriptions, and tags, and have them monitor your comments, subscriptions, and put them in charge of optimizing your channel. Don't just repurpose old content. While you should post your TV commercials online, you don't want them to be the only kind of content on your channel. Television commercials are designed for a one-way medium. While your viewers might want to have the ability to view your ads on demand, if that's all you have to offer them, they will never revisit your company's channel. YouTube provides you with the opportunity to push your brand past the traditional marketing tactics and create high-quality videos that address multiple viewers and a variety of needs. Broadcast your best self. You want to make the feature video on your channel the most entertaining and best piece of content. If that means you have a funny commercial or a video that is cleverly written, then that's what you need to do. When a viewer visits your channel, you only have one chance to make an impression on them, so make sure you take advantage of the opportunity. Make a menu of content for everyone. YouTube is nothing more than a search engine for videos. You need to create tailored content that takes into consideration what consumers are currently searching for, or what they need to know about your product or service. If you build the right videos, when a consumer is searching for information about your competitors, they'll come to your video first. An excellent place to start is by creating instructional and how-to videos. YouTube has become a powerful tool that can be used in your overall marketing strategy to increase awareness about your brand. These 4 strategies will help you create a branded YouTube channel that will gain subscribers. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 4 ways to create a popular YouTube channel for your business. With close to 1 billion unique viewers every month, YouTube has become an excellent tool for marketing your business. However, if you don't have the viewers or your viewers haven't increased in a while, then it might be time for you to rethink your strategies. Here are 4 ways that you can create a popular YouTube channel for your business. Design your brand. You'll need to determine what the overall theme of your videos are going to be and how you want your YouTube channel to be known. With the massive influx of video being uploaded to YouTube every day, you need to make sure that your videos have a unique quality that will make them stand out from the crowd. The name of your YouTube channel should also incorporate what kinds of videos your viewers can expect from your channel. It will also help to include your business logo. That will help to attract and keep people's attention. Produce quality videos. While you may produce extremely creative videos or thought-provoking, if the production value of the video is low quality, no one will continue to play it after the first few seconds. Do yourself a favor and invest in a high-quality camera that can capture videos in HD. Luckily, many of the smartphones on the market today can do this. If your YouTube channel primarily uses graphics, make sure to use a video editing program that is recommended by the professionals. Complete the description. Make sure that you are completing the description for each video and are optimizing it with relevant keywords. The description is where you can freely state anything you want about the video. The description allows viewers to know more about the video before and after watching it. Not only is giving complete information professional, but it also lets your viewers know that you are serious about what you are doing. Work on your tags. The tags allow your videos to be categorized and appear easily in YouTube searches. Make sure that the tags that you use are relevant to your video. Avoid using popular tags that are currently trending on YouTube. If your video is about making cookies from scratch, put that specific tag first, followed by the more generic ones. If you want to increase your popularity on YouTube, then you need to focus on creating the best YouTube channel as you can. Utilize these 4 techniques to create a popular YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 tactics to get more subscribers on YouTube. If you want to gain the attention of YouTube's algorithm, then you need to have a lot of subscribers to your channel. Even though Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram have stolen the social media spotlight over the last several years, YouTube is still an incredible marketing channel for any business. If you're just starting to build your YouTube channel, here are 5 tactics for getting free subscribers on YouTube. Start promoting your channel. There are thousands of videos online about how to hack YouTube to gain more subscribers. Unfortunately, most of these turn out to be illegitimate and a waste of your time. If you are just getting started, then you have to bite the bullet and do the work to get more subscribers. The best way to do this is to create engaging content and ruthlessly promoting it on your other social media channels. Take the time to build a plan to promote your channel if you want to get more subscribers. Create frequent content. The best way that you can get more subscribers to your YouTube channel is by creating high-quality content consistently. Posting content every week helps you to retain subscribers, which is another important metric of YouTube, as well as attracting new subscribers. When you increase the amount of content that you publish, you also increase the number of places that you'll be found by people online. Promote your channel with Facebook groups. No matter what topic you're interested in or what business you have, you can find a group on Facebook for most topics. Find relevant groups by searching a keyword in the filter of groups in the search bar. Narrow down your list to 10 to 20 relevant Facebook groups, and then add a comment to the discussion telling people about your YouTube channel. Create searchable titles. If you want your videos to be found by your target audience, then you need to spend a few minutes creating SEO-focused descriptions and titles. An easy way to do this is by typing in the YouTube search bar the keywords that you're planning on using in your title and see what search results come up. When you find keywords that show a lot of results, create titles using the best keywords and include them in your video description. Create playlists to convert searchers to subscribers. Creating playlists on YouTube is a great way to boost content consumption, boost watch time, and retain subscribers. Rather than creating different playlists, you can create a track of content for new users to watch. Gaining more subscribers on YouTube is imperative for your business if you want to get noticed by its algorithm. Implementing these 5 tactics will help you increase your subscribers. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you the 5 things you need to know before you start a YouTube channel for your business. Having a YouTube channel for your business can help you reach your target audience, generate more leads, and bring success to your business. If you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel to help promote your brand, here are 5 things you need to know. Always put content first. You have to take the time to figure out what kind of videos you're going to create. While it might be fun to participate in whatever video trend is currently happening, you have to focus on what will bring you new subscribers and what will keep them coming back for more. You need to make sure that you are posting new content consistently if you want to build an audience. Make sure your thumbnails are on point. When you make sure that the thumbnails displayed on your channel are on point, you can significantly improve your video views. However, if you get it wrong, it will end up turning people away from your channel. You want to make sure your thumbnail is clear, simple, and immediately catches your viewers' eyes. Collaborate with others. Find other YouTube creators that are in your industry and collaborate with them on some cross-branding incentives. Focus on working with other channels that have the same amount of subscribers as you do. Not only will this allow you to grow your YouTube audience, but will also increase awareness of your brand. Aim for nice-looking videos. While the videos of your favorite YouTubers look effortless, the truth is that they are more than likely using a variety of expensive equipment to get high-quality videos. When it comes to your videos, don't worry about spending your hard-earned cash on expensive equipment because your videos don't have to be Hollywood productions. Make sure the lighting is good by placing a bunch of lamps around the room and keep the camera still by using a tripod or a pile of books. You want to focus on making videos that are good enough, not ones that will break the bank. Make sure your branding is clear. You need to make sure that people remember your video. Make sure that you create a memorable and straightforward channel name, and be sure to include a beautiful, eye-catching logo on your channel. Nothing is stopping you from creating your own YouTube channel for your business. However, by keeping these 5 things in mind when you get started can go a long way toward making sure your channel gets noticed. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with 6 tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. When it comes to finding success on YouTube, it can be challenging to produce algorithm-friendly content that will attract more viewers and keep them watching. Here are 6 tips for optimizing your video content on YouTube to grow your subscribers. Tip number 1. Post multiple times a week. Recent reports have uncovered that channels that post more videos than once a week are performing better than those who don't and are receiving more recommended views. If you can, try posting a video 3 or more times a week to your channel. Keeping a regular schedule can quickly raise your channel in YouTube's algorithm. Tip number 2. Start each video with a hook. The way you will hook your viewers will depend on you and your content. If you have a video that shows a project, make sure you show the result at the beginning of your video. Providing videos with a stunning result increases their interest in how you achieved it. Stories are another way to pique the interest of your viewers. When you start with a story, viewers will want to stick around to see how it ends. Tip number 3. Keep opening credits and titles brief. People have short attention spans, so including a long title or credit sequence at the start of your video will cause viewers to lose interest. Long opening sequences also discourage binge watching because other viewers don't want to see the same long sequence over and over again. Instead, you want to make sure your opener isn't longer than 5 seconds. Tip number 4. Add end screens. End screens are interactive elements in your video that link to your channel, other videos, or webpage. These can be only added in the last 20 seconds of a video, so you need to plan where to place the end screens. End screens tend to work best when the on-screen presenter is still talking and providing information. Tip number 5. Edit out distractions. Meandering talking, long pauses, and bouncing from one subject to another will have your viewers looking for more exciting videos. You want to keep the tangents to a minimum and avoid giving viewers reasons to click away. Tip number 6. Design eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails can make or break your YouTube success. Suggested videos are the leading source of organic traffic, which means that your video thumbnail needs to stand out when it appears in the suggested videos section of the platform. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, then you need to develop content that keeps your viewers and algorithm in mind. These 6 tips can get you well on your way to creating content that will help you grow your YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with the do's and don'ts of starting a YouTube channel for your brand. Starting a channel on YouTube is relatively simple, but getting found among the millions of channels can present a bit of a challenge. Your YouTube channel represents your niche, which you need to ensure is presented creatively if you want to stand out from the competition. Here are some of the do's and don'ts for starting a YouTube channel. Do. Make sure everything is set up properly. The lighting and camera setup for recording your video is crucial. Having efficient lighting and a quality camera play a significant role in being able to deliver a high-quality video. Once you decide to set up a YouTube channel for your brand, it is essential that you set up everything before you start. Do. Collaborate. Collaborating with other professionals in your industry is a great way to expand the reach and target a broader audience across the platform. Talk with other professionals in your niche and ask them if you can host a guest video for them. Collaborating in this manner to cross-promote products can help you reach more of your target audience. Do. Tag your videos. Tagging your videos is incredibly important if you want to attract an audience. Take the time to research appropriate keywords that are searched for often concerning your niche. Tag your videos appropriately to attract more high-quality subscribers to your channel. Don't. Publish all your videos at once. The best way to attract new subscribers and keep them is by publishing new videos on a schedule. The best way to set up a new channel is by posting a video once a week for at least 4 months. To increase your subscribers, plan to post a new video at the same time every week so that your audience will have something to look forward to. Don't neglect the audience engagement. If you want to grow your channel and be seen as an authority in your industry, it is imperative to interact with your subscribers. Don't fail to reply to comments left on your channel and take any feedback you receive to heart. Don't publish low-quality videos. Your YouTube channel is a product of your business and represents your brand. Publishing low-quality videos to your channel will reflect on the standards of quality that your company holds. Having poor audio, lighting, or camera work will drive viewers to another channel. Utilizing YouTube to promote your business can be very lucrative. To ensure that you have the best chance for success, be sure to take these do's and don'ts into account when you're setting up your YouTube channel. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you the top ways to get more traffic to your YouTube channel. While YouTube has become an excellent tool for businesses to promote their brand, the competition is fierce. Every day there are thousands of videos uploaded to YouTube, so the question becomes, how can your business stand out from the crowd and gain more viewers and subscribers? If you have videos on YouTube, use these tips to boost your traffic and video rankings on YouTube. Tip number 1. Use rich keywords on your video tags. The more keywords that you put in your videos, the more opportunities that you have for people to find your video. For example, let's say your video is about peanuts. If you only use the word peanuts as a tag, then your video may appear when that keyword is searched for, but if you insert a network of related keywords, you can open a huge door for people to find your video. Using the tags field correctly and adding as many relevant tags that you can think of will help you get more traffic to your channel. Tip number 2. Transcribe your videos and post it to your video description. Websites can't accurately fetch keywords that are spoken in videos, so for the time being, written keywords are still a significant factor when it comes to video rankings. If you have a presentation video, transcribe your words to get lots of SEO juice to increase your ranks. Paste the transcription into your video description field and watch your traffic grow. Tip number 3. Insert keywords into your titles. YouTube is right behind Google in terms of search engines. This means that the majority of people will find your videos through keywords. One of the most significant factors in video placement for keywords is having them in your video title. So you want to make sure that you place keywords that are relevant in your video title. Tip number 4. Direct tons of links to your video. External SEO is not only a great way to boost rankings for pages on your website, but it also plays a significant role in rankings of YouTube videos. When you have a lot of high-authority websites directing links to your YouTube video, they will rank higher for their keywords, which will also boost visits to your site. Every business wants to increase the traffic to their YouTube channel. With these 4 tips, you can bring more traffic to your videos and expand your brand authority.